Welcome to your favorite program, Learn Twi with Opoku. This is going to be the final edition of the lessons on the Twi tenses. That means we are going to treat past perfect. So stay tuned. Are you a Ghanaian born outside the country or not a Ghanaian, but you want to speak Twi at the native speakers level? Then you are at the right channel. Join me in Let's Learn Twi with Opoku. Come along. To convert a statement into past perfect, you will have to first of all precede the phrase with na. And then the verb should either be in simple present tense or present perfect tense. Take note of that. I take it again. You will have to precede your phrase or your sentence with na, but the verb should either be in simple present tense or present perfect tense. Let me give you this example. I can say, when he came, I had gone. Good. Here, when he came, I had gone. It could mean that when he came, I had gone and I was not present. Or it could also mean that though he came to meet me, when he came, I was there, but I had gone and had returned. You see the difference? When he came, I had gone. It could be that when he came, I was not present. I had gone. Or when he came, though I was present, but I had gone to that place and had returned. Good. In Twi, if I want to say when he came, I had gone, and I want to imply that I had gone and had returned, then the verb will be in the present perfect tense. So I will say, Obaeno, that is when he came, na mako. You see that mako comprises of me and then ako. Ako is a verb in present perfect tense. So when he came, I had gone. Obaeno na mako. Good. I can also say this statement in a different way when I want to mean that when he came, I had gone but had not returned. I will say Obaeno na meko. Meko is in the simple present tense, not in present perfect, but simple present tense. And so in this case, you either make use of the present perfect or simple present tense. But in most cases, you have to make use of what? The present perfect tense. In rare cases that you have to make use of simple present tense. So let's take this verb and see in which case we are going to make use of the simple present tense or the present perfect tense. Good. Let's take this verb, and that is ko, to go. And let's make this statement and then use it for all the pronouns. And the statement is, when he came, I had gone. When he came, I had gone. If I want to say this in Twi, using the first person singular pronoun, me, then I will say Obaeno, that is when he came, na meko. So I want to say that na meko to mean that I had left the place, I was not there. I can also say that Obaeno na mako. Here I mean that when he came, I was there, but I had already gone and had come back. Obaeno na mako. Okay. Wo, that is you. Obaeno na woko. Obaeno na woko. You see that here I am making use of what? Simple present tense. Woko. Every day. Woko. That is what I'm making use here. But because I have preceded it with na woko, it puts this whole phrase in the past perfect tense. Na woko. If I want to mean that when he came, you had gone and had returned, then I will say obae no na wako. Na wako. Na wako. You see, wako is what? Present perfect. Wako. Wo. Ako. Na wako. And had what? Come back. But if I want to mean that if he had gone and had not returned, then I will say na woko. Obae no na woko. Good. What about ono? Ono, ono. We can say obae no na oko. Obae no na oko. Here, oko is what? Simple present. Oko. But if I want to mean that when he came, he had gone but had returned, then I will say obae no na wako. Obae no na wako. You see, wako is what? Present perfect. Wako is present perfect. Good. What about yen? Yen. That is we. Good. When he came, we had gone. If I want to mean that we had gone and had returned, then I will say obae no na yako. Yako. Present perfect. Obae no na yako. But if I want to mean that when he came, we were not there, we had gone, then I will say obae no na yeko. 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 Yeko alone is what? Simple present. But if you precede it with na, then it makes it what? Past perfect. Na yeko. When he came, we had gone. What about one? One, that is they. When he came, they had left. If they had left but had then returned when he came, then we say obae no na wako. 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 If they had not returned when he came, then we will say obae no na wako. 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 They had gone. Good. So this is all that time will permit us to do. I will suggest that you take your time and go through it, and by the time you start from the present tense up to the past perfect, you will be able to speak she very well. Until our next video, I will say keep learning she with Opoku. Thank you.